Hey, so if you're in marketing, you're probably dealing with surface level analytics, meaning you have multiple dashboards all showing you clicks and conversions, but they're not really showing you why a campaign worked or which segments within that campaign actually performed the best. Let me show you how Scoop takes care of this in seconds so that you can increase your ROI while spending the exact same as you are right now, or even less. Now, as you can see, we're already inside of Scoop. I already loaded in my campaign data, which was actually extremely simple. It's a two-click process, and it connects to your CRM, marketing tool, data warehouse, or you can even connect a CSV or an Excel sheet. Let's start with the first question.
Which segment generates the best ROI?
Now, as you can see, in just 60 seconds, Scoop found 5 different segments, all the way from the lowest performing to the highest performing ones, and it also gave me the reason why they performed the way they did. Now, as you can see, 47% is being spent on low performing segments, while only 13% is being spent on high performing ones. Now, imagine the difference it would make in overall ROI if you were to take whatever is being spent on these low performing ones and putting it into these high performing segments. And the cool thing is that you have this information. This information is inside of your data. It's just extremely hard and extremely time consuming to comb through it, extract it, and interpret it the right way, which is why we built Scoop. Now, it would also be cool to know why conversion rates changed from last month to this month. So let's just ask,
Why did conversion rates change?
last month. Now, as you can see, Scoop is going through your entire data again. It's running a period-over-period analysis so that you actually know what changed from last month to this month. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, so as you can see, Scoop gave us what happened, why it happened, and what to do about it. And if you scroll further down, it's going to give you follow-up questions in case you want to really dig deeper into your data. Now, there's a million other things that Scoop can help you with. So if you're just a little bit curious, we have a 1-month free trial, 0 commitment, no credit card. It's completely free. Try it out. Use your own data. And if you have any questions, just book a call with us and we'll go through those questions with you on the call. Again, 0 commitment. That's all from me. Thank you.